So Ram's partners at Fox Factory and Direct Connection have decided to build a street truck. It's called the DC650, it has 650 horsepower, and it's aimed squarely at the Ford F-150 Lobo. But before you get too excited, let's look at the price tag. The base price, $89,995. Let's just call it 90 grand. 90 grand for a Ram 1500 that isn't a TRX, and if you want four-wheel drive and the leather seats, you're looking at $95,000? This is absurd. Let's be perfectly clear about what this is. This is not a new factory-built truck from Ram. This is a 2025 Ram 1500 with the old 5.7-liter Hemi V8, which Fox Factory and Direct Connection then modify. They are taking the last-gen engine in a year when Ram is desperately trying to convince everyone that its new Hurricane Straight 6 is the future and bolting a 3.0-liter Whipple supercharger to it. This isn't innovation, this is a parts bin special with a serialized dash plaque. Does Ram's own performance partner, Direct Connection, not believe in the new Hurricane engine? Is the Hurricane not capable of handling this kind of power? Or is this, more likely, just a cynical cash grab to sell off the remaining V8 inventory to nostalgic buyers at an insane workup? And 650 horsepower. It sounds impressive until you realize what it costs. They're comparing this to the Ford F-150 Lobo, which starts at $60,000. This DC650 costs $30,000 more. For that price, you're not competing with the 400 horsepower Lobo, you're competing with the Ford F-150 Raptor. You're competing with mint-condition used Ram TRXs, which came with 702 horsepower and a full factory-developed Baja-ready chassis. This DC650 is just a lowered truck. Let's analyze the upgrades. You get Fox coilovers and Ride Tech control arms. These are good, brand-name parts, but they're used to lower the truck 2 inches in the front and 4 inches in the back. In doing so, you have effectively eliminated the utility part of a pickup truck. You can't haul anything serious with this setup, you can't tow a significant amount, you've added a front splitter so you can't even clear a steep driveway, let alone a work site. You have built a 6,000-pound, 2-seat sports car with a bed it can't use. And my favorite part, the tires. On this $95,000, 650 horsepower sport truck, they have equipped Toyo Pro 6 ST3 all-season sport truck tires. All season. Are you kidding me? You put a massive supercharger on a V8, give it 650 horsepower, and then put it on tires designed for a balance of light snow traction and tread life? It's a fundamental contradiction. It shows this isn't a serious performance vehicle. It's a show truck. It's automotive jewelry. Look at the styling. Gold tow hooks, a gold stripe, a supercharged badging on the hood. This is for the person who wants to look like they have a fast truck, but doesn't actually understand vehicle dynamics. You're paying for the power bump on the hood and the 650 Hemi graphic on the bedside. The strategy is completely flawed. If you want a fast truck, you can buy a Rivian R1T that will smoke this thing in a straight line for less money. If you want a capable high-performance truck, you buy a Raptor. And if you truly want a 650 horsepower Hemi street truck, you could buy a used Ram 1500 RT for 45 grand, add your own Whipple supercharger and suspension, and still have $20,000 left over. This DC650 is a solution in search of a problem. It's too expensive to be a toy, too compromised to be a truck, and too late to be relevant in a world where the TRX already existed and the EV trucks are setting new performance benchmarks. This is a $95,000 nostalgic throwback, and it feels about 5 years too late. Subscribe to Shift 100 for more honest, critical car analysis that cuts through the hype.